Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of this wonderful car. We're starting with the power units as usual. Santa Fe was equipped with gasoline 2.4-liter inline-4 and 2.7-liter V6 and diesel 2.2 CRDi inline-4. Major problems are not common for gas-powered Santa Fe. Regular service and high-quality parts can provide engine sustainable operation for 350 to 400,000 kilometers. 2.7-liter V6 ignition coil burns can happen after 100,000 kilometers. Coolant leaks occur after 150,000 kilometers and are hard to discover due to special coolant tank construction, so the overheat becomes possible. It results in cylinder head meltdown. Neutralizers should be replaced once in every 200,000 kilometers. 2.4-liter engine can suffer from starter engaging relay jams. 2 to 3 engine stops can temporarily solve the problem. Troubles can also happen to starter motor, front crankshaft bearing seal and oil pan seal. Diesel engines use common rail injection system that is extremely sensitive to diesel quality. Fuel injectors can inject high quality fuel for 150,000 kilometers. Knocking at 150 to 200,000 kilometers can be a result of injection pump pulley failure. Ticking sounds can tell about fuel pressure regulator failure. Original preheating plugs can operate for 100,000 kilometers. Specialized service stations should replace them as they can get welded to cylinder head housing. Preheater relay fails at 150,000 kilometers. Motor Go crankshaft pulley has poor resource of 80 to 100,000 kilometers. Turbocharger variable geometry vacuum motor can start jamming at 120,000 kilometers, making intake pipe disconnect. Turbocharger is solid and can operate for 200,000 kilometers. Oil leaks connected to cylinder head seal burn may occur at 180,000 kilometers. Santa Fe was equipped with a manual and an auto transmissions. Both are rather rigid but still have issues. Dual mass flywheel on diesel cars can fail at 80 to 100,000 kilometers. Drive axle seals leakages are pretty common. The most common problem is transmission kicks. ATF change temporarily helps. Shifter level replacement can have to be demanded after 50 to 70,000 of kilometerage. Right drive axle bearing wears at 100 to 120,000 kilometers. It can cause excessive spline joint wear. Santa Fe majorly have all-wheel drive system. Viscous coupling unit on VCU is pretty solid, but it's badly affected by overheat. VCU is repairable, so its restoration will cost around 100 to 200 euros. Transmission kicks at high steering angles are the signs of this. All-wheel drive system has some unreliable components. Those are rear differential housing and bearing seals, driveshaft support bearing and flexible couplings that need replacement at 150,000 kilometers. Front shock absorber support bearings start squeaking at 40 to 60,000 kilometers. Shock absorbers could leak at 30 to 50,000 kilometers before manufacturer revision in 2010 that increased shock absorber lifetime to 80 to 100,000 kilometers. First-year cars also have fragile wheel bearings that get worn at 50 to 70,000 kilometers. Wheel hub bolt looseness can cause clicking sounds. Tightening will help, but replacement would be better. Front torsion bar links work for 50,000 kilometers, rear ones for 70,000 kilometers. Torsion bar mounts last for 50 to 80,000 kilometers and require subframe partial disassembly to replace. 7-seat version was equipped with active shock absorbers. They cost a lot, run for 70 to 50,000 kilometers and can be replaced with usual ones in couple with tightened coil springs. Other components have good resource. Ball joints operate for 100 to 120,000 kilometers. Bushings lifetime is about 120 to 150,000 kilometers. Rear suspension arms have 150,000 kilometers of resource. Steering rock commonly needs repairs at 100,000 kilometers. Right bearing excessive wear and fluid leakages cause rack failure. Brake system is rigid and would be safe enough if stoplights limit switch did not have upsets. It could be repaired in terms of guarantee though. Rear calipers knocks are removed with caliper guide re-greasing. Trim materials are fine. Steering wheel rim paint easily gets friction worn. Plastic panels are easily scratchable and produce sounds at low temperatures. Electric circuit reliability is under some questions. Original multimedia has software issues and can turn off, restart itself, etc. Climate control regulator motor fails at 150,000 kilometers. Paint job is neither strong nor quality made. Body metal though has pretty high corrosion resistance. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that will help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.